Okay, so this one, I'll be showing you how to trade the pound dollar. So the date is still 25 August. So we're on the pound dollar chart over here. I'm gonna put on the wave count because it helps me to stay with the trend, right? So you know this is a third wave because third wave is goes further than the first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something like this. We'll put on the wave count again. Okay, you know what? I'll put a WXY this time. So I'll put a WXY. At some point, you could get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible, but we'll worry about that when the time comes, right? So right now, this is what we have. So this is the most current count. We just stay with it for now. We'll go on cycle, visibility, something like that. WXY. Okay, so which means now we go down to the daily. On the daily, we're going to have this was important. We're going to label it. It's important. A, B, C. So, so go primary. Okay. So this is what we got on the daily. Okay. Next, we have actually this. I'll just label that for you. This will be so that we all have the same wave counts, right? Our charts are aligned so we can make money together. Okay, so WXY will be over here. Perfect. So this is what we have. In this one, we will call this primary. Perfect. ABCWXY, and this is of a lower degree than this. This is considered more superior, and therefore, once you have this WXY, now you're looking for a. So before you actually sell this, which is this move, this move down, this is a good corrective structure, right? This one down. It's on the same rank as this. And if you want to know what I mean by same rank, then you're welcome to study time factored swings. It's a lot of information to digest, right? So let me see just one. So just let me just look at this. So okay, so this is what we have at the moment. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which means, let me see, you have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So this is how we stay. This is the current count. And this is the current count. And this is what you have. This is what you, yeah. So what this means, okay, is that what this means is these and these have a correction. This correction, this correction, this correction, okay, this, and this are the same rank. So in order to get this, you need this, which is similar or same rank as that. To get this one, you need this, which is so okay. And this, and this are of the same rank. And why is that significant? It's significant because if you want to earn this money coming down, you need that. If you want to make this money coming down, you need this. Okay, so that is why understanding the rank of the correction is very important. It's very important. It helps time the entries, right? And of course, this is an Elliott wave count as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, how do you count it? Study time factored swings. You understand. So once you got something like WXYXZ, this is the kind of wave count. It's like, how could you have traded this down? Well, that's when you go down to 4-hour. Since you know you're looking for the XZ wave, it means that you need something like in this wave, You need something like impulse, correction, impulse. And impulse, correction, impulse. So it's like a third of a third, basically, right? Which means that this break is quite significant. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And understanding the wave count allows you to take the sell. It's also possible to take the sell up here, actually. All right, so I'll just briefly talk about that, because since this is some kind of third wave, a fourth wave, and a fifth wave, all these moving averages are very helpful, especially when the third wave is underway. All right, this moving average is not useful here because this is a WX wave, right? But once a third wave has started, which is something like this, if this had gone beyond that, which is see price here, it didn't go beyond this. If it had gone beyond this, any pullback there's a bias to the downside because you are in a third wave that has, and it's a third wave of an Elliott wave, which means this wave is longer than that. All right, so there will be a bias given to respect to the moving average. So if this is a moving average, if price it come back here, that is a potential that will be of great interest. Okay, I hope, is that tough? I hope it's not too tough. So anyway, so right now we are on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this area here is of interest because we have a third wave, which is a X to Y wave, and because now that this is a pullback, this is a fourth wave. I'm looking for the fifth, and in order to get you on the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. So do I need to label this? I guess I could just do that so that it's good. Maybe it's good learning for some. Okay, so it's W. That's a wave count. Then we have to change this wave count to this. All right. So this ensures we all have the same wave count, WXY. And this is still this bigger 2-day time frame is still in progress. Yeah, I'm gonna move to moving averages now. See, this Y wave is still in progress, which means this wave is still in progress. All right, it's still in progress. And it's even possible, I'm going to mark out this zone as it's possible it can even come down to 1.14. Right? This is still possible. Right? Because this fifth wave, some might say, why don't we just go up now? Well, we don't know that. We don't know that. This one can come all the way down here, and then maybe it goes up and break this shoulder. You see this? There's a neckline here. It might break that. If it does something like this, okay, then we'll be very interested in the upside. But for right now, it's not happened, right? So we have to focus on the current picture right now, which is right now, meaning like this week, next week, 3 weeks down the road, So this head and shoulder might form somewhere in November, December, maybe next January. So we wouldn't really know. So, but we trade whatever we see right now. So this is the current wave count. Daily we go on the fall, and this is the current wave count, WXY. Right. So this was a trade that would have been quite profitable as well, along with the euro dollar. Right. So let me just I did make a post on this on TradingView. So if you look here, euro dollar, that's the one. So this is the one. Just stay in line with the trend. So look for the sells. This is down. So euro dollar down, pound dollar would have been a sell as well. Just something of interest. Okay. So anything else? I think that's the wave count. That's the wave count. Okay, so I'll just stop sharing right about now.